Well, here we are in Millville. Got our camp set up here. We got a plethora of tents. Today's Thursday. It's kind of raining a little bit, raining on and off, but it's not too hot. As you can see, I got a little sunburn yesterday as we waited, but there's a little bit of what we got going on at the base camp. There you can see there's the van, got the car, we got David's truck over there. Now, the experience of Millville is something that everybody needs to experience, but you know what? It's all about America right here. Right about America. That's what I'm saying. Millville, Minnesota, Spring Creek. Here we are. Here we are. This is base camp right here. All right. All right. Well, let's go see what kind of action we can find out there. All right, we're in front of the pro pits. Here we are. We made it. Almost got run over there. What are you doing? Hey, my buddies. My buddies. All right. There they go. All right. There we are. All right. Pro pit. There it is. Well, just got done with some lunch here on Thursday and sitting here at base camp. I got left at that guy. I got left with him. I guess it's grandpa duty. Well, what do you do? What do you do? Here's what I get to see. This is my view from my chair. Get to see a lot of crazy people going back. There's goes Davey and everybody else. They just leave me with the boy. What the hell? out here waiting for Casey to come by one more time, but it looks like his session is all done. Well, that's a wrap for Thursday, at least the shenanigans. Maybe the other shenanigans will start now, maybe. Well, it's Friday, about 9:15 in the morning. Amateur races are on a break for right now, and as you can see, right behind me is the Spring Creek stand over there, and we got Mountain Martin. There she is. She isn't all dressed up yet, but look at that. They're gonna be going up that tomorrow, and pretty special. I'm also over here by the Monster Energy VIP section, and well, we'll see what's going on. I don't know, I ain't going in there. It costs too much money for that. Anyway, I just thought I'd check in and let you know what's going on. So we'll check in a little bit later. We're gonna watch ourselves some amateur races. All right, here we go. All right, the races have started again. Remember, the Score Plus, we make all custom MX apparel. We can put your name on the back, we can put your number, we can give you t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, you name it, we can do it. All right, they're gonna be coming down here in just a minute. Be ready. Don't smile. All right, we're surviving. This I think is Millville Grandpa Life. All right, right there. That's my little troublemaker. That's Ryan. Ryan, he says he's just gonna stick his toes in. How much you want to bet he gets fully immersed? Well, this is Grandpa Life at Millville. Spring Creek, Friday. We'll check back in later. We'll see if the boy's wet. Well, it's about, I don't know, 1:30 or so on Friday, and I've lost the kids. I have no idea where they are. They could be over at Stella's place or the other little Gracie's place, or they could be at the river for all I know. I'm sitting here at base camp, nobody around. Haven't seen the crew for quite a while. I don't know, I should be taking a nap, I think. Well, I'm surviving. Well, it's about 5:43 here on Friday still, and I got abandoned again with all the grandkids. We got Cody boy, Ryan sleeping. Grace is running around with her friend. I tell you, I just don't know what to do. There's Cody boy. We got our helicopter flying overhead. And we got Cody boy playing with the wheels. That's what Cody boy likes to do. He's a wheel man. What do you think, Cody boy? Hey, Cody. He's busy checking out those tires. Well, it's about 5:45 here on Friday, and I got in charge of the kids again. I guess we rounded them all up from earlier. Well, Cody boy is just jumping on the chair, I guess. And Ryan's in the tent sleeping. Gracie, she's out playing with her friends still. They've checked in a couple times, so I guess they're all right. What do you think, Cody boy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you a jackrabbit? Are you a jackrabbit there, boy? Maybe. Maybe you'd be a jackrabbit. Uh-oh. What's he getting into now? What's he getting into? Oh, he found himself at an Eli Tomac motorcycle. He's playing with his two-wheeler. There, he thinks Tomac's gonna make a comeback tomorrow. Well, I hope he's right. I hope he's right. What are you doing, Cody? Cody boy, what are you doing? You trying to hit me? You trying to hit me, son? Oh, there he is. All right. Well, I guess that's all we can do for now. Saturday morning, qualifying just got done. I missed it because the kids had to go swimming. I don't know where the parents are. And, well, I guess I just have to make do with the best I can before I get real mad and have to yell at them. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I guess it's soon lunchtime, and then it'll be opening ceremonies. And, well, we'll have to go get in position, so we'll have to see what happens. All right, it's almost race time. I got rid of the grandkids, but I got stuck pulling the wagon. All right, it's race time. Race time. My boy's here. I found him finally. Finally found my boy. Well, we made it home. We got home about 10 o'clock at night. Kids stayed awake the whole time. I had to have the grandkids stay with me because the parents, they were dropping their friends off at the airport. So anyway, we made it back. We had a good time. I'm now enjoying the sanctity of a little alone time, if you know what I mean. So anyway, Millville's in the books again for one more year. This was our 9th out of the last 10 years that we've done this. And well, every year I say I'm never gonna do it again. But then when I look back and I reflect on it, I say, yeah, it was a good time. And you know, I enjoy the races. I enjoyed watching the Lawrence brothers kind of dominate, and it was really a lot of fun seeing J-Mart. J-Mart came away with the win in his last race of his career. It was nice to be able to be there for that. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I got a little emotional. I did. I had a little tear in my eye, and it was just overall good feeling. Now, my overall experience of this, what we still call a vacation, there are times, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy being grandpa, being left in charge of, there's Ryan, there's Gracie, and there's Cody boy. And you know, gotta love them. You gotta love them. But tell you what, I'm glad we're home. I'm glad everybody's safe. The vehicles made it fine, and I guess we're just blessed. Now, one thing I did want to mention was how my hat did. All right, I took this hat off the shelf when I left, and I pretty much wore it all time I was there in Millville. And weather-wise, it was pretty good this year, but we did have a little rain, and you know, it was hot. I'm not gonna lie, I was sweating up a little bit. And but you look overall at that patch right there, it stayed secure. It stayed on there. So I guess the moral of the story is, well, if you need a hat when you go to Millville, give us a call at the Score Plus. All right? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Now, if you really want to stay up on everything, all right, the link is down below. Like and subscribe. You know, you got to say that.